Hi kutties, let's learn A to Z vehicles names. A. A for ambulance.
A for ambulance.
B.
B.
B for bicycle.
B for bicycle.
C.
C.
C for car.
C for car.
D.
D.
D for dump truck.
E for dump truck.
E.
E.
E for excavator.
E for excavator.
F.
F.
F for fire truck.
F for fire truck.
G.
G.
G for garbage truck.
G for garbage truck.
H.
H.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
I.
I.
I for ice cream truck.
I for ice cream truck.
J.
J.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K.
K.
K for kayak.
K for kayak.
L.
L.
L for locomotive.
L for locomotive.
M.
M.
M for motorcycle.
M for motorcycle.
N.
N.
N for naval vehicle.
N for normal vehicle.
O.
O.
O for oil truck.
O for oil truck.
P.
P.
P for police car.
P for police car.
Q.
Q.
Q for quad bike.
Q for going back.
R.
R.
R for road roller.
R for road roller.
S.
S.
S for school bus.
S for school bus.
T.
T.
T for tractor.
T for tractor.
U.
U.
U for unicycle.
U for unicycle.
V.
V.
V for van.
V for van.
W.
W.
W for wagon.
W for wagon.
X.
X.
X for Xmas car.
X for Xmas car.
Y.
Y.
Y for yellow taxi.
Y for yellow taxi.
Z.
Z.
Z for zeppelin.
Z for zeppelin.
Like and subscribe for more videos.